In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and troubleshoot your email SMTP settings. This is a crucial step that can help ensure your emails are sent and received without a hitch. Whether you're setting up a new email client or just need to double check your current configuration, these instructions will guide you through the process smoothly. First, let's start with the basics by checking your SMTP settings. You'll need to identify your server, port, username, and password. These elements are the backbone of your email configuration. The SMTP server is essentially the mail server you are connecting to, which is responsible for sending your outbound mail. Commonly, service providers have specific server addresses, so make sure you input this information accurately. The port number is another critical piece. It dictates how data is routed between your email client and the server. Typically, ports 465 and 587 are used for SMTP connections, as these are commonly assigned for secure email transactions. Your username and password are required to authenticate your connection. Be sure they are entered correctly to avoid any access issues. Next, it's important to ensure SSL TLS is enabled if required by your email service. SSL or Secure Sockets Layer and TLS or Transport Layer security offer encryption to protect the data being sent from your device to the email server. This adds a layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized parties to intercept your information. In your email client settings, look for options related to security or encryption. Here, enable the SSL TLS feature, which could be labeled differently based on your client, but generally, it's housed within the security settings menu. After confirming these settings, take a moment to verify that your email client is not being interrupted by a firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes these security measures can inadvertently block email connections, especially if they perceive them as threats. You'll want to check your firewall and antivirus settings to make sure they're configured to allow connections through your specified port. Most antivirus software has an exceptions list where you can add trusted applications and ports. Now it's time to test the connection using Hostinger's SMTP details as a reference. Their common SMTP information includes SMTP, hostinger.com, with ports 465 or 587. Substitute these details into your client to see if it resolves any issues. Remember, this is just a test to help isolate whether the problem lies with your original settings or perhaps with the server itself. Finally, if after all these steps the issue persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger support. Their customer service team can provide specialized assistance and help pinpoint any underlying issues affecting your email functionality. They're a valuable resource to ensure everything is operating smoothly. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any SMTP related issues. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or additional issues in the comments below.